Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to sell your own digital products on Digistore24. Let's get started. Selling your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, software, or templates is one of the best ways to build a scalable online business. Digistore24 is a fantastic all-in-one platform that handles everything for you: payment processing, secure file delivery, affiliate management, and even tax documentation. This means you can focus on creating your product and marketing it, while the technical and financial logistics are taken care of automatically. In this detailed tutorial, we're going to walk through every single step you need to take, from the essential preparations before you even log in, to configuring your product settings, and finally launching it to the world with the help of affiliates. Whether you're a coach, a creator, or an expert in your field, this guide will help you get your digital product up for sale. Before you can list anything on Digistore24, there are two absolutely essential prerequisites you must have ready. First, you need a fully set up Digistore24 vendor account. This is different from a free affiliate account. You need to be registered as a seller. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to go through their vendor registration process, which involves providing your business details for tax and payout purposes. The second and most critical prerequisite is a sales page. This is a dedicated web page, separate from Digistore24, where you will market and describe your product in detail. This is your opportunity to convince visitors to buy. You can create this page using simple website builders like WordPress with Elementor, System AI, Card, or even a dedicated sales page builder like ClickFunnels. This page should have compelling copy, images or videos explaining the benefits, testimonials if you have them, and a clear call to action button. This button will ultimately link to your Digistore24 order form. Without a professional, persuasive sales page, your product will struggle to convert visitors into customers. Once you have your account and sales page ready, log into your Digistore24 vendor dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Products. Click on it. This will take you to your product management area. Since you are creating your first product, look for and click the prominent button that says Add Product. You will now be on the main product creation form, and we will go through each section methodically. The first field is Product Name. This is the internal name for your product that you will see in your dashboard. Right below it, you will see another field called Product Name for Buyers. This is very important. This is the name that will appear on the receipt, the order confirmation email, and the customer's download area. You can make this more customer-friendly or branded than your internal name. For example, your internal name could be course_V1, but the buyer's name could be the Ultimate Digital Marketing Masterclass. Next, you will select your product type. This is a crucial categorization. Digistore24 offers several types, like ebook, video course, software, app, audio product, and service. Choose the one that most closely matches your offering. This helps the system apply the correct settings and templates. Important note: if you are selling a physical product, like a printed book, you cannot simply select a type here. You must first contact Digistore24 support to get special approval, as physical goods involve shipping and handling that need to be configured separately. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features of Digistore24, the affiliate system. This section determines if and how others can promote your product for you. The first option is Allow Affiliate Marketing. You almost always want to set this to yes. By enabling this, you open your product up to Digistore24's vast network of thousands of affiliates. These are marketers who will promote your product to their own audiences in exchange for a commission, drastically expanding your reach without any upfront advertising cost from you. Once you enable affiliate marketing, you must set your affiliate commission. This is the percentage or flat fee you pay to an affiliate for each sale they generate. This is a strategic decision. A competitive commission, often 50 to 75% for digital info products, is key to attracting top affiliates. If you set it too low, affiliates will simply promote other products with better payouts. You can set a percentage of the product price or a fixed amount. For a $50 ebook, you might set a 60% commission, meaning the affiliate earns $30 per sale. Below the commission, you have partnership acceptance. This gives you control. You can set it to automatic, meaning any affiliate can start promoting your product immediately. Alternatively, you can set it to manual, which means you must review and approve each affiliate who applies. Manual approval is great for maintaining quality control when you're starting, ensuring you know who is promoting your brand. Remember, enabling affiliates is just one part. For them to find your product, you must later list it on the Digistore24 marketplace, which we'll get to. The next critical step is linking your sales page URL. This is where you paste the link to the external sales page you prepared earlier. This tells Digistore24 where your customers are coming from. Directly below, you'll see a field for thank you page URL. This is an optional but highly recommended page. After a customer completes their purchase on the Digistore24 secure order form, they will be redirected to this page. This should be a custom page where you thank them, deliver immediate access instructions, and perhaps offer an upsell or invite them to your customer community. It greatly enhances the customer experience. Before you save, scroll down. You will see many other settings you can configure later, such as pricing tiers, uploads for your actual digital files, email automation sequences for buyers, and tax settings. For your initial setup, with your product name, type, affiliate settings, and sales page URL entered, you can click the Save button at the bottom of the page. The system will reload, and your product shell is now created. You'll be taken to the product's overview page. This is your product's headquarters. From here, the real setup begins. Your next steps are to set the price. Click into the pricing settings to set your product's price in your desired currencies. Upload your files. Go to the Downloads or Files section to upload the actual digital product PDF, MP4, zip, etc. that customers will receive. Configure the order form. Digistore24 provides a default, secure order form. You can customize its colors and text to better match your brand. List on the marketplace. Optional but recommended. To let affiliates find you, go to the marketplace distribution settings and make your product active on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. Add a compelling description and tags so affiliates can find it when searching. Finally, integrate your sales page. Take the unique order form link or buy link that Digistore24 generated for your product. You can find it in the Products Links tab. Go back to the sales page you built externally and hyperlink your main Buy Now button to this Digistore24 order link. This completes the cycle. A customer clicks from your sales page to the secure Digistore24 checkout, pays, gets their product, and you and any involved affiliates get paid automatically. To scale this effectively and save time, especially in creating engaging content to share, or even short authentic video testimonials, many top affiliate marketers leverage AI content tools. For instance, a platform like Pitchery.ai can be incredibly useful. If you want to create a quick, compelling 30-second video about your positive experience with the keto plan to share in Messenger or on your own profile for social proof, Pitchery.ai can turn a simple text script into a professional-looking video with visuals, music, and a voiceover in minutes. This adds tremendous credibility and production value to your recommendation, making you stand out. You can find a link to try Pitchery.ai in the description below to explore how it can enhance your promotional efforts.